The cryptosphere is experiencing an increase in duress. The price of Shiba Inu is consistently declining, which has caused concern among numerous investors. However, is there any glimmer of optimism within this tumult? What is the actual situation with Shiba Inu? Are you in a state of panic, or should you continue to wait? Certainly, we should investigate. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. Recently, there has been an alarming trend observed in Shiba Inu. Regrettably, its value has experienced an abrupt decline. In reality, it has reached yet another record low. Additionally, the timing of a potential reversal remains uncertain. Shiba Inu is currently experiencing significant difficulties following a 65% decline from its previous apex this year. This coin, which was once prominent, is still in a difficult situation, despite a fleeting increase in significant transactions. The ongoing challenges that Shiba Inu is encountering are underscored by the technical analysis. The charts clearly indicate a downward trend. The 50, 100, and 200 exponential averages of motion are all trending downward, which suggests a consistent adverse trajectory. This is even more alarming. The continuous decline in demand has largely eroded the progress that Shiba Inu made during its peak periods. It is difficult to maintain a positive outlook regarding the imminent future of Shiba Inu in light of the current circumstances. The persistent adverse momentum indicated by the moving averages, in conjunction with the substantial decrease in price, implies that a significant number of investors are experiencing apprehension. This dearth of demand may result in additional declines unless a change is made. Nevertheless, there is always the possibility of a change in sentiment. If the broader crypto market begins to recover and more investors begin to recognize the value of Shiba Inu, we may observe a reversal. In addition, any beneficial changes within the Shiba Inu community or planned actions from its developers could potentially reignite interest. Nevertheless, it is imperative to recognize that the present trajectory is a cause for concern. It is imperative that individuals who are contemplating the acquisition or retention of a Shiba Inu exercise caution at this time, as there are no distinct signals for a rebound. In order to gain a more comprehensive understanding of the situation, it is necessary to examine the on-chain data. This data indicates that in the past 24 hours, 29 transactions involving Shiba Inu have occurred, with a total value of just over 1 trillion Shiba Inu. Although this figure may appear remarkable at first, it is crucial to take into account the broader context. The elevated transaction volumes for Shiba Inu have also experienced some notable fluctuations. A surge in transactions occurred a few days prior, with a total of nearly 2 trillion Shiba Inu. Nevertheless, the market's general tenor remains conservative, despite this fleeting uptick. The ongoing adverse trends have not been altered by the preceding upward movement. The situation for Shiba Inu owners is quite challenging when we consider the broader picture. Currently, only 48% of Shiba Inu owners are in profit, while 47% are experiencing losses, and only 5% have achieved a break-even point. The challenges that numerous investors have encountered in recent months are underscored by this distribution. Furthermore, it is important to acknowledge that a limited number of large holders control a substantial portion of the Shiba Inu population. In reality, these critical actors control 73% of the Shiba Inu population. This concentration has the potential to substantially affect the market and may account for some of the volatility that we have observed. The fluctuation in this market indicates that, although there is some activity with Shiba Inu, it has not been consistent enough to indicate a recovery. To put it simply, the overall momentum is deficient, despite the fact that transactions are occurring. It is difficult to assume that the Shiba Inu will begin to recover in the near future without consistent and increasing activity. Nevertheless, the development team is still expressing optimism despite the difficult news regarding Shiba Inu. Lucy, a distinguished member of the Shiba Inu team, recently expressed her opinions on X, providing a viewpoint that may be comforting to many holders. She acknowledged the market's recent notably challenging conditions and observed that even the most optimistic supporters were unable to completely predict the impact of global conflicts and unstable politics on cryptocurrency prices. Lucy emphasized that there is still substantial progress being made behind the scenes for those who appreciate the continuous development of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. This is particularly important to bear in mind for investors who may be discouraged by the current price trends. She recognizes the frustration of holders who are anticipating more rapid results, not only in the context of Shiba Inu, but also in the broader ecosystem. Her message serves as an invitation to the community to refrain from obsessing over daily price charts. She recommends that one concentrate on the long-term development and potential growth of the Shiba Inu, rather than becoming engrossed in short-term fluctuations. This perspective is essential due to the extreme volatility of cryptocurrency markets, which can experience significant price fluctuations in a brief amount of time. Lucy's counsel to long-term holders is particularly noteworthy. She encourages them to remain resolute and not allow temporary setbacks to erode their faith in the undertaking. This encouragement is indispensable for cultivating a resilient community that is committed to the Shiba Inu vision, regardless of the challenges that may arise. Lucy emphasizes that she is sharing her perspective, which is founded on her experiences and knowledge, by phrasing her thoughts as personal insights rather than financial advice. This method encourages the community to participate in constructive discussions regarding the future of Shiba Inu, without feeling compelled to respond impulsively to market fluctuations. Additionally, August has recently commenced, and this month is particularly significant due to the anniversary of the Shiba Inu's creation. This month, anything is feasible due to the atmosphere of celebration and new beginnings. The community may witness unexpected developments, positive news, or even changes in market sentiment that could result in a resurgence for Shiba Inu. Lucy's words are particularly poignant during this critical period, as they serve as a reminder that even in the face of adversity, there is always the potential for development and transformation. And as we anticipate the opportunities that August presents, it is also an appropriate time to contemplate the journey we have undertaken thus far. Bear in mind the events that transpired during the previous bull charge. The cryptocurrency community was characterized by a surge of optimism and enthusiasm, which resulted in the escalation of prices and the creation of extraordinary opportunities for numerous individuals. Numerous individuals are anxiously anticipating a second surge of this bull market as we gaze into the future. There is a growing consensus that we are on the cusp of another rally, one that could once again raise not only Bitcoin and Ethereum, but also altcoins such as Shiba Inu. The market is abuzz with activity, and it appears that the community is prepared for a new era, anticipating that the forthcoming surge will rekindle its energy and momentum. If history is any guide, the Shiba Inu's price could ascend to extraordinary heights if it continues on the same trajectory as the first 10 months of 2021. Shiba Inu became one of the most successful cryptocurrencies during that time. We are even more thrilled by the astonishing statistic that the price of Shiba Inu increased by an astounding 27 million% in the first 10 months of 2021, as reported by Arabian Business. Certainly, you have read that correctly. 27 million%. Vitalik Buterin, the co-founder of Ethereum, played a significant role in the achievement of this remarkable milestone. He received half of the total supply of Shiba Inu from the token's pseudonymous creator, Ryoshi. Buterin donated the remaining tokens to charities and incinerated the majority of the gifted tokens in 2021. The listing of Shiba Inu was supported by major crypto exchanges as a result of this audacious action, which helped to increase investor confidence in the breed. Consequently, the price of Shiba Inu experienced a significant increase, and it was ranked among the top 10 crypto assets by market cap at that time. The Crypto Fundamental has now conducted a more thorough examination of the potential consequences of a Shiba Inu repeating that remarkable rally. At present, the Shiba Inu is trading at a discount of less than 80% from its all-time high, another increase of 27 million%. The token's price has the potential to increase significantly from its current level to an astonishing $4.66. An investor who currently possesses 1 million Shiba Inu tokens, which are valued at just over $17, would witness their investment increase to over $4.5 million at this price. Nevertheless, it is crucial to acknowledge that the Shiba Inu's market capitalization would exceed $2 quadrillion if this price is achieved, provided that the circulating supply remains at nearly 590 trillion tokens. It is improbable that Shiba Inu will experience a rally comparable to the one we observed in 2021, as the projected market valuation exceeds the available global financial resources. As Arabian Business noted, the enthusiasm for Shiba Inu is genuine. However, it is imperative that we maintain a rational perspective and comprehend the obstacles that await us. However, what is your perspective on that matter? Comment in the space provided below. I am anxious to hear your perspective.